explain na ano yung petition sa Supreme Court?
We are appealing all remedies.
Ano po yung ano?
We cannot for the moment divulge it because it is a matter for the lawyers to study very carefully.
Kailan pinay po itong mga petition na to?
Mayroon ng pending. We'll just have to wait for any action in the part of the
So, in relation lang dito sa PD 46 or at the same time with the plunder also?
for all the cases that are pending before the
Sandigan Bayan.
Ano yung prayer sa Supreme Court?
No, basically we are challenging the resolution of the Sandigan Bayan.
The solution of what?
Of the ombudsman.
Of the ombudsman. Meaning, you want this case dismissed?
Oh, well, those are prayers that are usually in the petition.
Question for review po, attorney.
Something like that.
Dismissal, attorney.
Sure.
Several petitions attorney.
No, for now, we have one pending.
Pero
Anong
hindi
basis
pa makaka-apekto sa ongoing trial itong mga petition ninyo?
No, precisely why why the accused has refused to enter a plea.
Pero on other cases, they enter the plea
Well,
party.
I entered my appearance only today, so I cannot.
So, kayo na yung bagong abogado ni attorney,
may
ni
co-counsel.
co-counsel.
We are team.
Ano po yung basis? Bakit po hinihingi na
Well,
ma-dismiss yung information against Senator Marcoleta?
We have, in the first place, the very first action that we did was a motion to quash. Okay? Now, this was not granted. So we had to avail of whatever legal remedy open to us.
And what drug? Is there a grave abuse on the part of the ombudsman?
Among others. Yeah. Among others.
For the record, attorney, yun po yung hindi kayo nag-enter ng plea because of that pending.
Yes, for now, for this proceeding today.
Pero arraigned na siya attorney sa
Plunder case.
Wala pa po yung petition ng attorney.
At that time, I was not the big person, so I cannot.
So,
Kayo na yung mag-appear for the plunder case, attorney?
Well, I will be joining the Council of Record. I was just made to participate by the Senator for today's proceeding.